If you want to check warranty on a Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down and we want to open about phone. Now in here, we need to copy IMEI1, which you might be able to find in here. If you do, then you can just press and hold your finger in order to copy it. Or you can go to status information, the IMEI information, and then in here we can find IMEI that we can copy pretty easily. Afterwards, you want to open the browser and you want to Google Samsung IMEI check or something similar. In my case, I'm going to use this website over here. You can try to use any of these websites in order to get the information about the phone based on the IMEI. So I'm going to paste the IMEI over here. I'm going to tap on the check. There we go. And then you should be able to scroll down in order to try to find the information about the phone, and you might be able to find the information about warranty. In my case, unfortunately, this seems to be an advanced option, so I'm gonna try to use a different website instead, actually. Okay, so I managed to find another website where I can actually find the warranty pretty easily. We can see the warranty status and the estimated warranty end date. So this is how we can check the information about warranty. And if you're wondering what the website is, it is, let me actually try to close it. There we go, imeicheck.com, so you can try to use that in that website instead. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.